Hello, my name is Skyling from Hong Kong. The representative of CarePeers. I would like to talk about how to properly install battery into your dolls and toys. Well, I'm making this video because some of my customers have got inquiry questions about how to install the battery. They cannot install it properly, and I have to, further discuss with them. So, if this is an issue, I think I better make a video and talk about how to install battery into our toys in a proper manner. So let's begin. The first things you have to looking for is finding the proper tooth or the toothing or the equipment to install your battery. Usually for most of the toys, even including baby's toys, you will need screwdrivers to properly open the cover of the battery compartment. And here we go. We have got some proper screwdriver, and this is what we call. This is the precise screwdriver, which is used by the electronics and watchmaker and the electricians. And this we have got another model of precise screwdriver, which is come with the different shape and size depending on the shape of the screws on the battery compartment. But usually we use the cross one, which is simple. So I'm going to show you with this lovely hierarchy and how to install it. The second important thing is about the battery itself. The first thing you have to make sure is that you have to include the correct type of battery. Some toys may use the live volt square size battery, and some may use the double A. And for this, the hierarchy is use 1.5 volt AAA. And make sure the voltage is the correct type recommended by the manufacturers. And for the battery, I will strongly recommend to use some kind of alkaline battery, which is more durable as well as is leak-proof. This in case the content is leaking out, and also it's preferable to you got it from the you got it as fresh opened battery, which is within the expiry date. So in case there's power for the batteries to operate the toys. Sometimes with you use the old batteries, it doesn't work. And of course you have to use the same types of battery. You don't mix up with the carbon battery with the alkaline batteries. So this is not a good thing. So if you are using alkaline battery, then use the same types and the same brand of the alkaline battery. This is more recommended. And also don't mix up with the the used battery with the new battery. Again, the fresh open battery will be the best.